Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to embed YouTube video in Mailchimp. So here we're on our Mailchimp homepage. We're going to click on create at the top left corner. You can choose any of these options. For example, we will be using a regular email and then scroll down to content. We're going to click on design email. Then we're going to choose a template. We can go with the first one. And right here on this screen, you can see on the right side where you can do some drag and drop features. Now this is the email design and you're going to use the drag and drop features right here. Now there are different options. The first is to click on video. We're going to click on video and then drag it to our design template. And now that we've added the video block, we're going to click on it and this will change to the page where we can add the video URL. Then here we can paste the video URL, and after waiting for a few moments, you can see the thumbnail added to the link. You can click on save and close, and this embeds a video to Mailchimp. Alternatively, we can add our video using the code drag and drop feature. So here we can find code and we can drag it over to our design. And when this window pops up, you're going to go over to your video. So for instance, we're going to come to this page and then click on the three dots here, click on share. And then instead of copying the link, we have the embed option here. We're going to click on it. This looks like a lot. However, you just need to click on the copy option here and it will highlight everything here and copy the code. We're going to go back to Mailchimp and then we're going to place the code right here. So with the code copied to our clipboard, we're going to highlight this text and paste it using the Ctrl V. And now that it's here, you can see the video right here. All you need to do is to click on save and close. And now we've added two videos to our Mailchimp using two different options, using the code and the video option. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.